Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So we got some packages today, and yeah, I mean, whatever, right? So I ordered another pair of those pants. And these are in like a, you can't tell, but it's a corally color. Yes, I ordered more clothes. No idea what I got. So I think this is my, monthly dress. So it's like a dress of the month club. The dresses are really expensive. So this is like $50. Oh, please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. I don't think this is my dress of the month club. I think this is the Susan shopping club. Oh Lord. Yeah, this is Susan shopping. So, I ordered this denim jumpsuit, and it is a like halter top. I will try this stuff on later, and it's included in my video. Alright, what do we got here? I gotta tell you, this girl's tired. It's been a heck of a week. No dress of the month club there. And maybe in that other sack. So the other thing I picked up was a blouse. It was on sale. So I just thought that was a cute little blouse. And I know exactly what I'm gonna wear with it. And then I bought yet another polka dot dress. Somehow, this week, I wore polka dots every day. And then proceeded to want more polka dots. So this is just little, a peplum dress. It's got strappies. Of course, you can wear it strapless. So it's a good summer dress. Girl, you got enough clothes. You just can't believe how much clothes are in my room. It's so much. One of these days, I'm gonna go to DIVORCA. I told my husband I was cleaning out my clothes. This is my normal weekly pattern. I'm cleaning out my clothes, honey, to make room for more. Yes, honey. Sorry, my camera cut off. Don't know why. Don't know what you missed, but you'll see it at the end. Me trying it on. Hey, Butts, what are you eating? Butsy, what do you have? Oh, dogs. The struggle is real. Whoops. Yeah, what'd I tell you? Shoes. You better not be eating anything bad for you. No, that's mine. Give me it. Boy. Boy is that? Alright. So I got these fabulous blue shoes. Yes, I know. I have a lot of shoes. I end up taking them to work. They bother my feet. I have no patience for breaking them in, so I give them away. It's a process. All right. I have one more thing I'm going to open. This is a new... What are you doing? What's the matter with you? Why are you eating everything? Why are you eating everything? Oh my God. So, this is a new... God dang, Butsy. Jeez Louise. That dog's a slobberer from way back. Dang. Alright, so we're going to see how this goes. So I keep having this pop up on my Facebook because I shop too much. Shut up. The house has to be proofed before she can be let out. Well, okay. So this is this Splendies thing, the underwear. I don't know what to expect. And I forget how much. They give you a little sack to wash your undies in. I'm kind of nervous. It wasn't expensive, but I'm kind of nervous. Alright, let's see what we have here. It's supposed to be 3 pair of underwear. Come on. Let's see what we got. Oh, those are beautiful. So, here is my jumbo panties, because I got a big ass. That's nice. They seem like they are decent quality, and you know what? What girl doesn't like new underwear, right? Then there are these in purple stripe. And then there are these, which are too cute. And these are like the seamless kind. So, no seams to show. So, okay. It says the MSRP on them is $12, so that'd be $36. I think I paid $15-ish. 15. Oh. Towels? Video sucks. Hey! So there you go. 3 pair of panties and some clothes. She just does not do this until I get here. She's barking at me because she wants to see me. And we still have to keep them separated. Butsy has no interest in her. He'll go up to the crate, but he really... No butts! Okay, guys. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Butsy's tearing up tissue. Mwah.